Sec 1, Chapter 5, 5.1 Applications. Simple equations in one variable. Given that the formula t equals to v minus u over a, find the values of a when t equals to 4, u equals to 32, and v equals to 20. So now we are going to sub in the values. T equals to 4, v equals to 20, u equals to 32, and a. So simplifying the expression, we will have 4 to be negative 12 over a. Now this one is a fraction on its own, so we can put it as 4 over 1. Then we do a cross multiplication. So a cross over to 4 for a. 4 units of a is equals to negative 12, so a is equals to negative 3. Have you gotten the answer? S equals to a over 1 minus r. So now a over 1 minus r, the s is now 1 and 1/3. So I'm going to replace it by the value 1 and 1/3. A is the number 3. And 1 minus r. So now we need to use this as a fraction, so we change it to improper fraction 4 over 3. And this will be 3 over 1 minus r. Now we can have a fractions on both sides. Now we're going to cross multiply. Equal sign stays in the center. So 3 times 3, 9. 4 multiplied to 1 minus r. So we have brackets, so we're going to do expansion. That will be 4 groups of 1, 4 groups of r. A is equals to 9. We're going to rearrange and group the like terms together. So 4 will stay here and 9 will come over. So this one is 9 over here, then shifted become negative 9. And I'll have negative 4r. It migrates over to the other country. It becomes positive 4r. So simplifying, I get negative 5 to be equals to 4r. 4 units of r is negative 5. How do we get 1 unit? Therefore, r is equals to negative 5 over 4. Have you gotten the answer? The length LCM of a spring is given by L equals to 70 plus 5m. Then we know that m is the mass, and they want us to find the original length of the spring. So when I'm looking for original length of the spring, what does that mean? That means I did not even put any mass in the beginning. So when I will have the original length, there is no mass at all, and mass will be equals to 0. So now we're going to put mass to be equals to 0. Our length will be 70 plus 5 times 0. 5 times 0 will give us 0. And that means the original length will be 70 cm. The product of m over 2 and 8 is negative 20. Form an equation. So product, meaning m minus m over 2 times 8, is equals to negative 20. What is m over 2 times 8? That is actually half of m times 8. So what can we do? We can multiply the numbers together first. So we will have half multiplied to 8, and that gives us 4m to be equals to negative 20. So m will now be negative 20 divided by 4. Now we have come to the end of this part of the worksheet. We're going to move on to the next part, chapter 5, part 2, to handle the more advanced word problems and equations. See ya!